Armed miscreants from Moreh reportedly set fire to the newly constructed Nova Vidyalaya school in Motha village ahead of inauguration right in front of Assam Rifles. Amid the escalating situation in border areas, especially with the infiltration of illegal arms and Myanmar-based armed troublemakers, the Manipur government has been relocating security forces to different areas based on risk assessment and vulnerability. In light of this assessment, the BSF had planned to establish a post at the recently constructed Nova Vidyalaya school in Motha, a village inhabited by the Anal community. This village situated directly opposite to Charlie Company of Moreh Battalion, Assam Rifles, and 7 kilometers from Moreh police station. The arson incident occurred between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. yesterday, sparking condemnation from nearby villages under the umbrella of the Kuki Chief Association, Kuki Women Union, Human Rights Moreh, and others. Prior to the eruption of violence in Manipur and the military coup in Myanmar in 2021, residents of Moreh and surrounding villages as well as central and state security forces had observed thousands of armed miscreants from Myanmar infiltrating Moreh and its surroundings along the Indo-Myanmar border. There are ongoing reports to security agencies that these armed groups are taking shelter at various locations, particularly at Sahay, Haulenphai, Timino, Govajang, Bibongzang, and others along the border, which are in close proximity to various Assam Rifles posts. Following the deliberate burning of the Nova Vidyalaya school in Motha, villages blocked all routes with locks to prevent security forces from intervening at the school. However, the 5 Assam Rifles Charlie Company located just 10 meters away remained as silent spectators. As per sources, many believe that the intentional burning of the school was aimed at thwarting the deployment of security forces in border villages to protect the Myanmar-based armed troublemakers who are currently hiding in these areas.